Hello everyone, today I will be doing a probability and stats experiment. And for this experiment, I will be rolling a 6-sided die 100 times and recording each of the outcomes. And I have a hypothesis, and this is for the chi-squared goodness of fit test to determine if the die is fair or not. I will be recording each of the 100 throws on this Google document I have right here, labeled 1 through 100. Let's get started. 4, 3, 5, 1, 5, 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 6, 4, 6, 4, 2, 1, 3, 2, 6, 6, 2, 2. Sorry, let me scroll down. 6, 3. Oops. I messed up. 3, 5. This is 4. Sorry, it went out of range. 3, 4, 2, 2, 2, 4, 1, 3, 3, 1, 3, 1, 1. Oh, just landed on a 5. 6, 5, 4. I don't know if you can see it. 4, 3, 3, 1, 1, 3, 2, 5, 4, 4, 5. We're a little past halfway there. 5, 6, 1, 5, 6, 5. Yeah, a lot of 6 and 5s. 1, 1, 1, 6, 5. Lots of 1, 6, and 5s. First 2 in a while. I'll say that. 4, 3. Oh, sorry. It landed on 4. 3, 2, 2, 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 4, 4. Almost went out. 6, 14 left. 3, 3, 4, 1, 6, 5. 1, 4, 3, 4, 6, 4, 4, and for the final one, 2. Sorry, let me. So, to show you guys here, these are all of my numbers. Hopefully this goes up and right and shows you right. And yeah, I have my calculations, my hypothesis, and the explanation after I do these calculations. On to the results, calculation, and experiment. We are using a chi-squared test to determine die fairness. The null hypothesis that we are using says that the die is fair, and each side has a probability of 1 out of 6, and the alternative says that it is not fair. The significance level that we are using is alpha equals 0.05, and it is also the most common. The test I performed was a chi-square goodness of fit test. This is appropriate to use for this situation because we're using categorical variables to see if they match expected frequencies. Each side has the same expected frequency. We are using a random sampling, and all the observations are independent. We are trying to figure out distribution here. That's why we are using a chi-square goodness of fit test. The test statistic that we came out with after all of our die frequencies, which I had shown earlier, all of our die numbers is 3. The test statistic is 3.200 or 3.19979936, and the critical value at alpha equals 0.05 with 5 degrees of freedom using a chart was 11.070. To conclude this, since the test statistic 3.200 is less than the critical value, the data does not allow us to conclude that the die is unfair at 0.05 significance level. While there are some variations in the observed frequencies, they can be connected to random chance and are not significant enough to conclude unfairness. This result matches a fair die's expectations. Thank you for watching and have a great day.